And then the fifth speaker is Andi Dian Angriani with the title Designing Mathematics Problem Based on PISA Task Using the Ethnomathematics Context. The sixth, Nur Yuliani, Development of Learning Media Math Sets Game Based on Construct 2 with Scientific Approach. And then Silaturahmi with the title, The Effectiveness of Using WhatsApp Media in the Teaching of Vocabulary to the Second Grade Student of SMAN 1 Madatangga. And then the last one is Fahril Rifa'ah with the title, Developing Web-Based Basic English Grammar Materials for the first year students of English Education Department at UIN Alauddin Makassar. Okay, well. So now we are going to start from Aslinda Syam. Where are you, Aslinda? Time is yours. So we just random.
Yes, we are the first speaker.
Okay, well. Please, the PowerPoint presentation.
Sorry, ma'am. Can you hear our voice? We are the first.
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Let our share our screen. Okay. Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for all the audience here. Please given your time so you can listen our presentation. Okay. Let me introduce our team. Me, Subaida, as the first speaker, and my partner is Aslinda Syam as the second speaker. Okay, we are from English Education Department of UIN Alauddin Makassar. Well, on this beautiful condition, we would like to say thank you so much for thank you so much for the opportunity that has been given to us, so we can present our research with the title Design Web-Based Vocabulary Material at English Education Department UIN Alauddin Makassar. What are the student needs? Okay. Firstly, abstract. The study aims to analyze the impact through internet technology and learning sources by development web-based vocabulary materials. Hence, starting point in conducting the development in need analysis. The research subject is the first year students of English Education Department at UIN Alauddin Makassar, consisting of 94 participants. The instrument of the research are questionnaire, interview, and expert assessment. And the result of the data show that the students need to improve their vocabulary as requirement to finish the study. The students need to pull out aspects of vocabulary in material definition, function, form, type, and also put picture and animation, exercise, and vocabulary list. Okay, next. Background. Okay. Number one, vocabulary. Wilkins and Thornbury 2002 said that without grammar, very little can be confined. Without vocabulary, nothing be confined. Okay, in the need analysis, in the background, the expression above show that how important vocabulary is, and then the second is technological development. Okay, next. Technology plays an increasingly important role in language teaching. Now, let's look at the technological development. In developing learning materials, it's important to adapt to the time where the learners are displaced. Okay, and the third, but students' problems. the problems that may be commonly experienced by the students are: the first is lacking vocabulary, and the second is imperfect pronunciation and stress, and the third is students not interested to open the dictionary. And the last for background is student requirement. Okay, as we know that, okay, next. As we know that memorizing academic vocabulary is the requirement to finish the study in English Education Department of UIN Alauddin Makassar. Okay, the next is about method. Okay, number one is research method. The development model that will using in this research is CHAI model. From Hanafian and Peck, the procedure adjusts CHAI model by comprising 4 steps. The first is need analysis, the second is design, and the third is development and implementation, and the last is evaluation and revision. Okay, in the needs analysis phase, the research conduct interview with lecturer to the lecturer relate to the textbook students analyze in learning vocabulary. About design, in the design syllabus, the first phase is formulating goals from the analysis data, and after formulating the goals, the next is select the content of the vocabulary syllabus, and then which is the suitable to the objective. And about development and implementation, to measure this is text Hanafian and Peck model emphasize evaluation, development and implementation. This is development and implementation. The researchers develop our web. And the last is evaluation and revision. Evaluation and revision is final steps in this model, in this method, and then to measure the quality of the materials, formative and summative evaluation, and then will be conducted by assessment from lecturer and will revise to make the product way better. Okay, next. For the research subject, there are 2 sources in this research. There are students and lecturer, and then there are 94 students as a subject in this research at UIN Alauddin Makassar for the first year students. And then there are 2 lecturer, and then there are 2 lecturer at English Education Department will be the research person to interview in this research. And the last explanation from me is about research instrument. Okay, the data will be conducted using questionnaire, interview, and review checklist. Okay, and questionnaire used to identify the students' needs related to web-based material, and then interview to assist researchers by providing the information, but researchers require in the development of web-based material. And the last is review checklist. Review checklist is a review checklist that will the Likert scale to collect the data. Okay, thank you so much for me. I give to my partner, Asrinda Syam.
Well, thank you very much for Chan. So I will continue the explanation about what are the students' needs. Here we can see the present situation analysis. The first aspect of present situation analysis is learner personal information. We can see here there are 65 or 69% of students claim that they are easy to understand they understand the vocabulary materials. Next, the second is students' attitude to English. We can see here there are 92 or 97.9% or we can say most of the students claim that they are like to learn English, especially to the vocabulary. Next, for the third aspect of PISA situation analysis is the reason for attending the class. Here's there are 51 or 54.3%. The reason for students attending the vocabulary class is to understand how to make a good sentence. Next, for the students level, there are 41 or 43.6% from 94 students claim their knowledge level in English is fair level. Next, we move to the target situation analysis. After present situation analysis is first is necessities. Here we can see there are 90 or 95.7% students claim that all the aspect of vocabulary material should be included, such as definition, function, form, and also the type. So all the aspect here will include in our web. Next, the students lack. The information about students lack or the students difficulty or what have not mastered in what have not mastered in English in learning vocabulary. You can see here there are 79.6% of students claim that it's difficult to put a proper place of vocabulary. Okay, now we move to the third of target situation analysis is what are the students. There are three parts of students one. Students ones is the first, the addition of example of vocabulary. Okay, we can see here there are 100% of students, or we can say all the students agree to add the example of vocabulary material in our web. Next, the addition of exercise of vocabulary material. There are 92 from the 94 students also agree to include the exercise of vocabulary. And the last of students one is the addition of vocabulary list. There are 97.9% of students also agree to include the vocabulary, especially to the academic vocabulary list in our web. And the last from the target situation analysis is display setting. There are 5 parts of display setting. The first is the importance of home, part of speech, exercise, and vocabulary list in the menu bar. Of course, we can say the most of students agree to add the home, part of speech, exercise, and vocabulary list in the menu bar. And the second is the importance of menu bar, icon, and tools. There are 89 students agree, so we include the menu bar, icon, tools in our web. And the third is important, the picture and animation. There are 82 students agree to show put the picture and animation. And the fourth is one of the letter. Okay, we choose students. Almost the student choose the Times New Roman as the font in our web. And the last is color. Students choose the 50 student choose the color of our web is colorful. And the last is learning situation analysis. The first aspect from learning situation analysis is learning style. And the information about students' learning style, there are 68 students agree to choose a visual learning style, but we don't avoid the students who choose audio and kinesthetic style. So in our web, we choose all the learning style: visual, audio, and kinesthetic. And the last is learning activity. For the learning activity, There are 36 students who choose small group in learning the activity. And also there are 32 students who also choose the individual. So in our activity in our web, the activity or the exercise will use small group and individual. Okay, now let's see our web or our product. Sorry. Okay, this is a home of our web. Sorry for the connection. It's a little bit slow. Okay, it's the home page of our web. The next, here we can see the material. There are noun, verb, adjective, preposition, and also adverb. So in the vocabulary list, we also input the academic vocabulary of noun, verb, adjective, preposition, and also adverb. We can see here the exercise. Sorry. For the exercise, before the students choose the individual and groups exercise. So we can see here, we can click the bottom. Okay, we can click button of individual exercise.
I'm sorry, Aslinda and Suberda, your screen hasn't changed yet.
Okay, thank you very much for that's all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you for the nice performance, Linda and Suberda. For the question, you may send your question in our chat box, and we will talk about the question at the end of this session. Okay, well, now we move to the second presenter. It is Fahri Rifa'ah. Time is yours.
What were you?
Check. Is my voice clear? Hello, check.
Yes, Fahri, it is clear.
Well, thank you so much for this opportunity that has been given to me. The Honorable, the moderator, Anissa Sofa Suraya, and also my big gratitude for the other researchers who are already involved in this research and the researcher who are participating in this international conference. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fahril Rifa'ah. I am the presenter, also the representative of my team in this research in this international conference. Well, in this opportunity, I would like to present my research under the title Developing Web-Based Basic English Grammar Material for the first year student of English Education Department at UIN Alauddin Makassar. I'm so sorry before, but I'm going to share my screen. Aduh. This. So sorry for delay. Ada nih. Well, ladies and gentlemen, education system has recently changed due to the coronavirus outbreak, which has been declared as a pandemic from World Health Organization on March 11, 2020. After there were 180 cases and spread in 114 countries and around the world. Hence, One of the massive impacts is the imposition of temporary closure in all educational institutions to prevent the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. Well, ladies and gentlemen, a serious step then was executed by the Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia, Nadiem Makarim, by issuing Circular Letter number 4 of 2020, concerning the implementation of education policies in the emergency period of the spread of coronavirus disease, point two, namely learning process carried out at home. In fact, there are 58% of students in Indonesia are not satisfied with online learning. Based on the interview of the researchers and students from English Education Department 2000 and English Education Department at UIN Alauddin Makassar, and also two lecturers whom teach English basic grammar in UIN Alauddin Makassar. Um, the result of the interview saw that they face a problem in online learning. Seeing that basic English grammar is really needed by every student, the researcher is delightful to develop web-based basic English grammar material that is WordPress to each student's understanding regarding materials being taught by the lecturer. Well, the basic English grammar consists of 12 materials. The first is noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, and etc. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in this research, in conducting this research, the researcher, sorry, in conducting this research, the researcher then compiled three research questions. The first is, what is the need of the first year student of English Education Department at UIN Alauddin Makassar toward the web-based basic English grammar material development? The second is, how is the development process of web-based basic English grammar materials? And the last is, how is the validity rate of web-based basic English grammar materials? Well, ladies and gentlemen, in this research, there are two research significances. The first is theoretical significances, and the second is practical significances. And theoretical significance, this is aims to add reference of basic English grammar for the first year student of English Education Department. While in this practical significances, as you can see on the screen, that there are three subjects. The first is for students, second is for lecturers, then the third is for wider English learners. Well, ladies and gentlemen, for all level of education, this research practically expected to be meaningful. Besides, they can get more knowledge of web-based basic English grammar materials. They also can make an enjoyable learning through web learning, which is really needed in this pandemic as a conventional media in learning. Well, here the literature. Related literature. The first is from Hui and Cheng, talk about web-based instruction. Web-based instruction is referred to World Wide Web, used as a platform to provide course materials, manage additional teachings and quizzes for enhancing communication both teacher and the students in the classroom and outside class. The second is material development from Tomlinson, say that material development is everything that is written by teachers and lecturers to be set aside in the preparation of language input. The third is need analysis. Nation and McAllister say that need analysis helps in determining the purpose and the content of the material to be development. Well, the last is basic English grammar from according to Longman Dictionary, grammar is the rules by which words change their forms and are combined into sentences. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in this research, there are research methods. This research used R&D and also EDI model. R&D from ICWA 2018 say that the research and development method is the research that is used to produce an appropriate product. While for EDI model itself, from Shelton and Sedman 2011, EDI model is a generic instructional design model that provides an organized process for developing instructional materials. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in this research, there are subject and instruments. As you can see on the screen, that there are three subjects and also instruments in this research. The first subject is 100 students from English Education Department from three classes. The second is two lecturers of English grammar subjects at UIN Alauddin Makassar, and also the third subject is two experts to validate the development material. And instrument itself, the researcher gain questionnaire, interview, and also extra validation judgment. For questionnaire itself, the researcher compile few questions that distributed to 100 students by sharing them or by sharing them the link of Google Form. And the second is interview. The researcher making some questions then distributed or asked to the two lecturers whom teach grammar subject at UI Al Makassar. And also the third is expert validation judgment. The researcher set for expert sheet and then distributed to two experts to validate the development of material. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here's the findings and discussion in this research. The researcher used mean score as a validity rate. As you can see on screen, that for mean score 1.00 until 1.80, the quality category is very poor, and 1.81 until 2.60 that is poor, 2.61 until 3.40 is acceptable, 3.41 until 4.20 is good, and the last is 4.21 until 5.00 is very good. So as you guys can see on the screen, the first is content cognition as a validity rate. The content cognition contains few questions, and it got mean score 4.75. And the second is scope of learning. This scope of learning got mean score 4.78. And the third is interface design. This interface design got mean score 4.42, and the last is interface design got mean score 4.7. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the final result or the product of this research. Where is this? Well, ladies and gentlemen, right. The result of the questionnaire and interview was utilized by the researcher as a guide in developing the website. The materials provided on the website were basic English grammar materials, including definition, kinds, assignment, and learning video. And the second is the researcher developed the web-based basic English grammar materials by using WordPress, which consisted of some tools, for instance, homepage, material page, including the definition, function, kinds, and followed by example, assignment page, contact us page, and about us page. The last is from the expert validation judgment results, the validity rate for the development of web-based basic English grammar materials was very good. It can be concluded that this, from validity rate, we can conclude that this product can be used for facilitating students from English Education Department and the first year student at UI and Alun Makassar. Well, before I end this presentation, I would like to show a short video that's been created by the researcher. Great.
Warga negara Indonesia yang positif
warga
virus
Depok
corona merupakan warga
terkonfirmasi
Depok
positif terjangkit virus corona.
Penularannya ini melalui percikan air liur.
sudah ada
Menyebabkan cairan pencuci tangan
kabur dari
The outbreak of coronavirus or COVID-19 was declared as a pandemic by World Health Organization on March 2020 after hundreds of cases found in 140 countries. Consequently, one of the massive impact of COVID-19 is the imposition of temporary closure in educational institutions to prevent the spread of COVID-19 pandemic by assigning study from home using online or e-learning strategies. However, in this emergency period, health students argue that online learning is not as effective since some materials are not explained properly and clearly. The researchers are delightful to develop web-based basic English grammar materials in interesting and a clear way. This is considered as the right step as an online learning resource in making students excited about learning basic grammar. The 6 researchers are contented to develop learning materials regarding web-based English basic grammar. Finally, the researchers hope the development research will be useful and it can be applied to our students for the first year of English Education Department at UIN Alauddin Makassar.
Sri Nurnaningsi Ali. I'm Vivi Landari.
I'm Dian Safitri.
I'm Eka Juanti Rahman.
I'm Fahri Rifaah.
I'm Indrul Fitria.
I'm ready to develop with this
basic English grammar materials of adverbs and adjectives,
present tenses and past tense,
nouns and verbs, pronouns and prepositions,
future tenses and perfect tenses,
of conjunctions and articles
for the first year student of English Education Department
of English Education Department
at UIN Alauddin Makassar.
At UIN Alauddin Makassar.
Well, maybe that's all for me. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your awesome presentation, Pak Nurul. Okay, now we move to the third speaker. It will be Nuri Yuliani. Time is yours, Nuri Yuliani. Okay, please. I welcome
Yes,
you.
thank you.
Yeah.
Memang deh supaya tidak terlalu pusing. Mana tuh? Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Yuliani and partner Dewi Safitri. Kami dari jurusan Pendidikan Matematika UIN Alauddin Makassar, Fakultas Tarbiyah dan Keguruan. Thank you so much for the opportunity given to me to present my paper by title Development of Learning Media Math Set Game Based on Construct-to-Wide Scientific Approach. Introduction. Factual condition, since COVID-19 was declared a global pandemic by WHO, President Jokowi has urged people to remain calm, and it is time for people to work from home, learn from home, and worship from home. This required teachers to be creative in creating learning media. Ideal condition, based on the appeal of the Ministry of Education, which state that learning must be done online, so that teachers are required to be more creative and innovative. Solution, the use of learning media is very important to increasing the effectiveness of learning. So it very necessary learning media that is suitable for mathematical learning. This research aims to develop the learning medium math set game based on construct-to with a scientific approach. Methods, type of research, research of development atau R&D, development model, start with analysis, then design, then development, then implementation, and finish and evaluation. Subject, the student of class 10 accounting SMK Negeri 6 Makassar. Research, result, and discussion. Analysis. At this stage, the research analysis the problem faced by teacher and learner. This review based on the result of observation information that the learning resource used by learning are only in the from Math Package Book Curriculum 2013. Revision and learning media used in form of Google Classroom, Google Meet, and Zoom. Offer result of interview with some learners state that during the teacher and learning process, teachers were impressed to provide monotone learning material both in the form of learning video and in the form of soft file, so that learning have difficult in understanding the material and when working on different problem with this example given. To the learning media, in process of learning media design record of concept image to be used a Bitmap in creating of learning media. The concept of the picture is for a flowchart and storyboard. In addition, in this tech researcher also make instrument that will be used in this study. Design of game shape learning media using the construct-to application can be utilized by teacher to abstract learning in the learning process. The beginning of making this learning media is to determine the component that will be used in the game shape learning media. The selected component are the initial appearance in the game, menu display, material display, and the appearance of question on each level. Animation and music, they will be used as a background of the game self-learning media to be created. Flow card, start, loading screen, then pengenalan produk, then main menu, terbagi menjadi 5, play, petunjuk, materi, game option, dan keluar. In play terdiri dari materi 1 yang terdiri dari 1 sampai 4, materi 2 5 sampai 7, materi 3 8 sampai 11, dan materi 4 12 sampai 15. And then in my presentation in my partner in Dewi Savitri.
The next level at this stage, the research developed a learning media that has been designed before at the design stage. Learning media developed in the form of learning media message game based on construct 2. The product produced after the development process and then validated by a team of experts. The beginning of making this learning media is to determine the components that will be used in the game self-learning media. The selected components are the initial appearance of the game, menu display, material display, the appearance of question on its level, animation, and music that will be used as a background of the game self-learning media to be created. In the process of making this learning media is adapted to the design in the storyboard that has been made at the design stage. The learning media is created using constructor software. After going through the creation process, then the export file becomes APK extension. This done to facilitate the process of guidance and research. The next is implementation. The application of learning media is intended to determine the effectiveness and practicality of media that have been developed. The effectiveness of learning media can be seen from the test of learning results. The learning result of learning results so a percentage of learners completion of 89%. The practicality of learning media can be seen from the percentage of results of the analysis of learners response, teacher response, and the implementation of the used learning media. The results of student response by 87%, and the results of the teacher's response by 92% proof that the learning media developed met the criteria practicality. The analysis of the implementation of the use of learning media shows that each component is fully implemented. The next or the last is evaluation. At the evaluation stage, not much is done because the learning media based on trial analysis has shown positive result based on various from the assessment. The last stage of the development of message game learning media is the evaluation stage. At this stage, improvements were made based on the advance obtained at the implementation stage, but there was no significant change to the learning media message game developed. Thank you very much for the attention.
Thank you. Now we move to Andi Dian Angriani. So Ibu Andi Dian Angriani, time is yours.
Oke, Bu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. Thanks for the opportunity given to me in Islamic Studies. My name is Andi Dian Angriani. I would like to present a paper entitled Designing Mathematics Problem Based on PISA Task Using the Mathematics Context. Introduction. We know that mathematical literacy is one of the components needed to construct the 21st century skill. The development of mathematical literacy currently refers to the problem of PISA. PISA is international standard to measure achievement for 15 years old student in the field of reading, mathematics, and science knowledge. PISA mathematical problems not only require the ability to apply the concept, but rather how the concept can be applied in various situations and the ability of student to reason and argue about how the problem can be solved. But in reality, students are not familiar with solving contextual issues like PISA tasks and have limited high-level skills. A student still has difficulty solving mathematics problem that require higher order thinking skill. Besides that, student problem faced by the teacher is the lack of specially designed questions according to student potential and characters. Therefore, students need to be trained to develop mathematical literacy skill so that real problem should be given to students to practice and solve. The mathematics context can be used to let students think about it. Indonesia has diverse culture, including in Makassar. This culture can be used to explore mathematical concepts. Thus, I design mathematics problem based on PISA task using the ethnomathematics context. The component of mathematics domain based on PISA consists of context, content, and competency cluster or process. Several research developed or designed select mathematics problem, including using Asian Games context, using Jambi context, using Palembang context, in this case, I also context in Makassar. Research and development, the self-evaluation and design, the prototyping, the field test stage. Research finding and discussion, then based on the result of the student work, the level of test reliability can be calculated. The result indicate that the question developed were in the high category. The difficulty level of mathematical problems of PISA like of the ethnomathematics context obtain a 10 point of medium category. Analysis of mathematics literacy ability on PISA like mathematics problem using the ethnomathematics context obtain medium category. The following is an example of PISA like mathematics problem using the ethnomathematics context. The last conclusion, the process of design PISA like mathematics problem using the mathematics context consists of 4 stages, namely preliminary, self-evaluation, prototyping, and field tests. Based on the result of the analysis obtained, the average ability of literacy of the student are in the medium category. Therefore, the development PISA like mathematics problem using the mathematics context can facilitate student or learning mathematics. Okay, thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Ibu Minian and Dan. The next one will be silaturahmi. Silaturahmi, time is yours, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you so much for the chance given to me. Well, I'm Silaturahmi. In this chance, I'm going to present my research. Before I start my presentation, I would like to inform that my PowerPoint will be shared by Fahrul Rifah Ahmed. Let him can share the screen. Is Faril still here?
Rifa is left.
Okay. Well, the title of this research is the effectiveness of using WhatsApp media in the teaching of vocabulary to the second grade student of SMA N1 Madapanga. Next. Next, please. Well, introduction. Okay, English as foreign language taught in Indonesia. In Indonesia, English has been selected as one of the foreign languages that is taught in Indonesia, starting from elementary school to the university. One of components of a language is vocabulary, and vocabulary becomes one of the fundamental components in a language. As an expert said, Badianto, he argued that vocabulary is more important than grammar because without grammar, the idea is very little that could be conveyed, but without vocabulary, it is impossible that could be conveyed. Well, lacking of vocabulary can one of the main causes of students' academic failure experienced by some students. Based on the preliminary research with the second grade student of SMA N1 Madapanga, containing of 8 students in January 2021, it showed that their English vocabulary is still low and they have difficulty in mastering vocabulary. And that problem impacts on their grades and also their enthusiasm during English class. Based on the result of the preliminary research, the researcher is interested to conduct a research using a media to increase their vocabulary learning. Next. The importance of media in teaching and learning process. In teaching and learning process, the presence of media is quite important. The use of media makes easier the teacher in delivering the material and also helps the students in increasing their motivation to study. The use of media in teaching and learning process shows a great progress, starting from the use of traditional media to the use of digital and online media. Next. The use of technology in teaching and learning vocabulary. The use of technology in teaching and learning will be suitable with students' development. One of the example of technologies is smartphone. There are many things that can be done through smartphone. For example, to deliver the information. People can take advantages on application available on smartphones such as WhatsApp application, Telegram, Instagram, and so on. One of the smartphones application that is easy to be operated and popular in public is WhatsApp. WhatsApp has potential to be used as a media in learning and teaching because WhatsApp can accommodate up to 215 participants, and it has many features that support teaching and learning process. Well, based on the explanation above, the researcher wants to examine the effectiveness of using WhatsApp media as the learning, as the teaching and learning vocabulary to the secondary student of SMA Ansor Tumanda Pangga, and want to know the response to our WhatsApp as the learning media. Next. Well, here the researcher applied experimental research with one group of pre-test post-test design. The population, there are 184 students as the population, while the research took only 30 students as the sample in this research. Then the collected data was analyzed using scoring classification, mean score, and t-test. For instrument, in this research, there are two instruments, namely test and questionnaire. For test itself, there are two kind of tests, namely pre-test and post-test. While for questionnaire, the researcher formulated a questionnaire that consisted of 9 statements to convert them opinion, and the students are free to share their opinion by stating strongly disagree, disagree, rarely agree, agree, or strongly agree. Then, in this questionnaire, it contained on two kinds of statement, namely positive and negative statements. For positive statement, it was scored by 5-1, while for the negative statement, it was scored started from 1 to 5. Next. Well, for the result, we can see on the screen the table of the mean score and a standard deviation of pre-test and post-test of the students. Well, there are 30 students as the sample. Then the mean score of pre-test is 68.90 with standard deviation 14.45 and standard error 2.63. While for post-test, the mean score of post-test was 82.33, while for standard deviation 5.97 with standard error 1.0. It shows that the result of post-test is higher than the result of pre-test. Next. Okay, yeah, here is the figure of the improvement of students' vocabulary by using WhatsApp. Okay, next. Okay, the second finding, yeah, we can see on the screen. The second finding is about students' respond to WhatsApp. On the screen, we can see that there are 5 students that were in quite worthy category, and there were 20 students who were in worthy category, and there were 5 students who were in very worthy category, and the total of them was 30. Then next. Okay, discussion. Based on the observation, students enjoy teaching process using WhatsApp, and they were also active. It was appear when the researcher asked them to make some sentences using vocabularies that had been given to them, and when they asked or answered the questions, they looked interested and enthusiastic in learning vocabulary. WhatsApp media becomes a tool which more attractive to them in learning vocabulary. Well, there is a statement that support this research. Yeah, it comes from Soner 2019. He said that the use of WhatsApp application, WhatsApp application for vocabulary learning contributes to success the learning process. This contribution could be directly related with the multimedia annotation that are sent to the students. Show the picture and audio files which are sent together with the text contribute to the learning. Particularly pictures that are relevant to the text increase the success meaningful. WhatsApp application also plays an important role in the transfer of the annotation as well as their formation effectively. Next. Well, there are some previous related findings. The first one from Ben Salem 2018, who conducted a study in a similar project to EFL learners in Saudi Arabia. The participant in his research indicated that WhatsApp had increased their vocabulary and it also motivated them for completing their vocabulary assignment. Then, the second one comes from Asia 2019. WhatsApp gives advantages to enhance students' vocabulary and also made them more active to speak. She got it by comparing the situation in real class, face-to-face, with an online class showed WhatsApp. It means that teaching by WhatsApp media gives good impact to them. Well, in summary, the researcher asserts that WhatsApp application becomes one of many online media that is suitable to teach vocabulary. Students feel fun and they are actively involved in learning process like asking questions, giving comments about something they didn't understand, and sharing vocabulary they don't know. Okay, maybe that's enough from me. I'm so sorry for the mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Silaturahmi. Well, we still have 3 presenters here, but I think they didn't come today. They cannot attend the presentation. Is there Rizka Cahyani? Rizka Cahyani. And then Susana Aditya Wangsanata. Susana Aditya Wangsanata. And the last one, Bagus Cahyanto. Bagus Cahyanto. Okay, well, so I think they didn't join the presentation. So generally in this room, we talk about math education and English education. So if you have any question, please raise your hand or you may send it in our chat box. Anyone want to ask a question addressed to our presenters? Okay, please note it. Nurul Fitra. Okay, well, Nurul Fitra addressed her question to Mr. Fahril Rifa'ah. So she is curious about the product of your research, Fahril Rifa'ah, and it seems to be very useful in the near future. But could you please mention the strength and the weakness of your website? Okay, please, Fahril Rifa'ah, time is yours to answer it.
Hello. Okay. Hello. Okay. Thank you so much for the question. It is such a nice question from Nurul Fitra. The question about mention the strengths and also the weakness of this website or this product. I'm so sorry. So I I do believe that every product has strengths and also weakness. So in this product also has strengths and weaknesses. Talk about weaknesses and also strengths, it is normal. And for a strength itself, this research or this product has a few strengths. The first is about this product is free and also paid version. So we can choose whether we want to choose for free and also for the paid version. For free, in this product, the product that I've been using right now, this product is free product. So this product can be used everywhere, and anyone can use this website of Basic English Grammar. The second is this product has many features. For example, the students can do assignments or exercises. The exercises already linking on Google Form and the score of this can be seen directly on Google Form. And also for learning video, so this product has a YouTube channel where YouTube channel contain 12 materials, which is basic English grammar materials, and every students can learn that basic English grammar by watching on YouTube channel. And also the strength of this research is uh, uh, many exercises already existed in this product. So the students can learn basic English grammar by doing some exercises and also assignments. So for example, the question, for example, is assignments, error recognition, multiple choice, and etc. Beside that, after finishing the question, after finishing the assignments, the students directly can see the score and also for their self-study. And yeah, those are the strengths of this website or product. And this website also has weaknesses. The weakness that the researcher found on this research is, and this product is, to fill and adopted several features that is good to be implemented. I mean, so many features that is not adopted in this product because of this product is free. And of course, when we want to have more features on it, we need to pay. But this product, for researcher itself, this product is enough because this product can tell the students about the materials, learning videos, can share PowerPoint, can share vocabulary list, and many more. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How, Nurul Fitra? Are you satisfied with the Mr. Fahril's answer? Where are you, Nurul Fitra? Okay, thank you very much, Katay. Well, I think that will be the job for the next researcher to develop Fahril's web in the future, in the next research. Okay, well, anyone else? Ada lagi yang mau bertanya? So we have also here about ethnomathematics. Di sini juga ada ethnomathematics tadi pembahasannya. Any question? So if you have no more questions, so please open up your video camera. We are going to have a photo session. Come on, join us in our photo session, please. Nurul Fitra, Fahril. Oke, Ibu Dian.
Ya. 1, 2, 3. Oke. Saya ulang dulu. 1, 2, 3. Oke.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your kind attention and your participation in this presentation room. See you in the next conference with the better research again. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.